today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Hermosa hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, your unit does come packaged up like this. There's a few little goodies, which is just their edge band, a wig cap, and I believe some nails and stuff like that. I ain't worried about all that, so let's get into this unit. First thing first, I do see, I can get it open. So first thing first, I see that there's some replacement string in here, and then also looks like there's some tape. .360 curly wig. This one is in the length 22 inches. This is what the texture looks like straight out of the bag. Base is pre-cut. They also pre-bleached the knots. They pre-plucked out the hairline. You do get a comb on each side, no comb in the middle. Also get your adjustable, removable elastic band. You get a comb in the nape area. Also get adjustable straps in the nape area. You have your invisible string. Also comes with your 4C edges. So I will be showing y'all that once I put it on. I feel like the lace may be fine, y'all. I don't think I really need to do anything. So do is just go ahead and try this on so we can see what it looks like before I do anything. So this is what it is looking like on right now. So remember this, okay? Because y'all know when I get done with it, it's not going to look like this. But I am gonna have to cut off some of this lace on the side by my ear, because usually with 360s I have to go in and trim it down because unfortunately it is overlapping my ear and I want it to sit a certain way. The edges right now, it's of course making it seem like you can't see anything, but if I pull them back like this, you can see that they plucked out the hairline. It's just looking a little thick right now because of how it is, but if I move them out of the way, you can see scalp. Okay, they did a really good job with the lace. Like, that looked good. a little bit of time to style only because it is so much hair. They were not playing around when it came to the density. Now to install this unit today, I did go in with a little bit of my Got To Be spray, and then I also added a little bit of mousse around the front of the hairline. I tied that down, then I began to work on the hair itself. I used some water and then I used my olive oil mousse, and you've seen I worked in sections because it is so thick. I wanted to make sure that I coated every piece of hair, okay? The ends were very easy for me to work with. They didn't feel really dry, so I didn't have to heavily coat them too much. And then I made sure to put some mousse at the top, and then I diffused the hair down. Dry down, I used some of my Sleek and Shine serum to fluff up the hair. And y'all, fluffing up the hair just makes it even more prettier. You guys know, or if you don't know, I don't like to fluff up my curly wavy hair too much, but just enough to where it's not looking like super flat and just feeling like it's being dragged down. Since I did not notice a lot of frizziness with this hair, nor a lot of flyaways. I did have to kind of trim at the ends just a little bit, but not too much. As far as the edges go, I was able to just use my hot comb after the mousse and everything dried down, and it just slicked back really good. I did the space bun style. I did pull out a few of the shorter hairs on the side. I did not curl them this time because usually I'll curl them with my flat iron, but I just used a little bit of my mousse and I swooped them over, and then I pulled out some of the edges over here. You also did see me kind of pluck it out a little bit. Totally up to you if you want to do that, but I just wanted to thin it out just a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. Decided to do a full bun. Now, I did not show me putting it in a bun. Y'all just seen me kind of putting it into a ponytail, but I just wrapped the band around it and left the hair flowing out like this, and then I did bobby pin the nape area down. Now I did pull the invisible strings. It's still just a little bit big, but not too big, so the bobby pins definitely help to flatten it out a little bit more. And it has like the edges at the nape area, so it camouflages the lace, and it also helps to camouflage that invisible string so it's not showing too much. Shedding and tangling, I did receive a little bit of shedding during the styling process, and then tangles, be for real, it's curly hair, is going to happen. You're not going to be able to bypass a little bit of tangles. It is more of a high maintenance unit just because of the curls and everything, so you are going to have to make sure you give this some TLC. Like I said, she is thick, she is full. If this is too much hair for you, you can always check out the website to see if they offer a lower density, or if you want something a little bit shorter, or if you just want something that's just not too much. Make sure to check out the other styles on their website. But I love the curl pattern on it because it's not, you know, it's not doing too much. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. Are you feeling it? Is it a yay or a nay? If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you all the next time. Bye, y'all.